People will keep wondering, what is that perfume that you are wearing? Perfume, something that highlights every outgoing ceremony. I'm sorry. What I meant to say is, whenever we go out, let it be for casual outings or for our parties or for any occasion to meet someone, to our office, we always ensure to wear perfumes. I'm sure many of you all do agree with me, but there are many of them who also do not wear perfume. This video is going to help those who actually like wearing perfumes and do not know how to retain the fragrance of the perfume for a longer time on themselves. So I'll give you simple tips and tricks of different kind of perfumes that you can use on yourself, and I am sure you will come back saying it was a hit. Stay along and I'll be with you in a bit. Perfumes, as we all know, we get different kind of perfumes. You get branded perfumes, you get non-branded perfumes. For men's separate, for ladies separate, for kids separate. You get something with stronger fragrance, you get something with light fragrance, very mild fragrance perfume. So what basically is the catch behind having your perfume that you wear stay for a longer time on yourself? Now, the most important tip that I would like to share with you all whenever you all wear a perfume. For example, this Fendi perfume. Say suppose I want to wear this Fendi perfume, I'm going to go out. So the most important thing that I will do is I will see that the perfume is facing at a distance from my clothes. Exactly, from my clothes. Remember this, your perfume is to be sprayed on your clothes. Keep it at a distance and spray a puff. Okay, that's it. It needs to fall on your clothes, not on your body. This perfume you all can spray on your clothes. Say suppose if you all are going out and if you all have kept your clothes ready on the hanger, what you all can do is just spray this perfume on your clothes and keep it aside. Thereafter you can dress and go out. Please do not wear perfumes as soon as you are going out. Give time for the fragrance to settle down in your clothes. Most important tip is to give time for your perfume to settle down on your fabric, on your clothes, so that it will surround the clothes that you're wearing with that fragrance. Another most important thing about perfume is, please do not wear it on your body. Many people have this habit to wear the perfume on their neck, here, under their ear, on the neck. Now for ladies, I have a very bad news for y'all. Let me tell y'all that in case if y'all are into artificial jewelry wearing, and if y'all spray this perfume on your skin, around your neck and all, it is going to create a disaster of your artificial jewelry color. First important point. The second important point is, when you wear the perfume on your neck, what happens is, as and when you happen to perspire, the perfume that is there, the fragrance that is there on the neck, mixes with your sweat and gives a very stinking smell. Try this out, you all will realize it gives a very dirty smell when it mixes with your sweat. Of course, you all will come back saying there are many people who spray perfume on their body directly and it stays for longer time. That is body spray. A body spray is different, a perfume is different, a deodorant is different, perfume oils are different. Yes, there are many categories, and of course many of y'all must be surprised that y'all were not aware that they can be classified into these many sections. Another important aspect of not spraying perfume on your body is that it will not stay for longer time. It will fade off soon. So if you want a body spray, it is something different. I will show you what a body spray looks like, or even you get it in different kind of bottles. However, ensure to read it if it is a body spray or a perfume. Again, body spray comes in different types. You get the female one and the male one. The female one, it is written as perfume body spray, not a deodorant. So many of the people get confused that this can be used as a deodorant. This will not last you long as a deodorant. It's good only as a body spray. You'll even get the men's body spray. So if y'all want to use something which is for your body, then y'all can go ahead and use the body spray instead of the perfume. Now for deodorants, you get it in these roll-on kind of forms. Many of y'all have seen the hacks where I have used roll-on bottles. Again, I will attach the link. So these roll-on forms are used as deodorants. You get different kind of deodorants. You get even the waxed one, wax deodorants. There are different kind of antiperspirants. You get the spray also of different kind of brands. So they are very good if you'll want to use it for your underarms, your sweaty areas. We have 4 kind of things: perfumes, which is used for your clothes, body spray, which is used on your body, and deodorants, which is used under your arms, and perfume oil, which you can actually use a bit around this region. Like perfumes, even perfume oils come in different kind of fragrances. My most favorite fragrance is the musk perfume oil. Now going back to perfumes. For those of y'all who want the perfume to last for a longer time, as I said earlier, when y'all spray the perfume, see that y'all spray it in advance, at least 5 minutes before you could step out of your house, so that the perfume will get mixed in your clothes that you are wearing into the fabric. It needs to go that deep. The thing that will help your perfume last for longer is by mixing different kind of perfumes. Now when I say mixing different kind of perfumes, please do not put 10 different perfumes, because it will be very difficult for y'all to bear that heavy fragrance of perfume. So what y'all can do is y'all can mix max only 3, keep it till 3 perfumes, 3 different kind of perfumes when y'all mix. Now say suppose I have put this perfume on myself, Fendi, and then I decide to put another perfume like the Lancome. I use a bit of this. Then if y'all have another brand, well and fine. If not, y'all can even use ordinary perfume and just spray one more puff from afar, and that's more than enough, and leave it to settle down, as I said. And after that, the smell that lasts, or the fragrance that is going to be around you, is going to be completely different. People will keep wondering what is that perfume that you are wearing, because they have never ever got that kind of fragrance in the market, or have never come across something like that. This is a very good way of keeping perfumes long lasting onto your clothes, on yourself. Many of y'all might have this question: can y'all mix ladies and gents perfume? Now let me tell you, ladies perfume usually is classified under light fragrances. There are very few ladies perfumes which have stronger fragrances. Now for those which have lighter smells, y'all can couple them up with lighter smells of gents perfumes. Like for example, CK1 is a very light perfume. So if y'all want to mix CK1 with Lancome, which is again light, and Fendi, or you have another different brand of a light perfume, you can use it all together and you will love the fragrance that it comes off with. You will not realize that the mixture of the gents light perfume along with the ladies light perfume has created a magical smell around you. Try these. These are simple way of having perfume stay for longer hours on your clothes. And always remember that do not spray perfumes on your body. Hope you all have found today's hack on perfumes useful. Do let me know in the comment section. I know the previous perfume hack with the nozzle has got a lot of popularity. Many of my followers have come back saying that it was a very good hack, or they were wondering if they'll be able to exchange a perfume, or they have got it as a gift and the perfume nozzle isn't working, how they'll make it work. I'm going to attach the link upside. Ensure that in case if you all have not gone through that hack, it's a very useful hack. Those who have problems with their perfume bottles not spraying right. That's all on perfumes. For those who have come here for the first time, as always, I sincerely request you to show your love and support to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon which says all, so that you get updates on all my upcoming videos. That's all on how hacks. I'll see you next time with another new hack.